In this video, I want to show you that you do not need to be a design expert to create a thumbnail. If there's one thing that I hate about the process of making a YouTube video, I would have to say it's making the thumbnail. So this website I will include in the description of this video. It's called thumbnail.ai. Now, I'm not really interested in the AI part of it. I've tried it by going over here and typing in the text to generate a thumbnail. I really wasn't impressed with it. However, I am very impressed with the templates. To be able to access the templates, you're probably going to need to sign up your email address and your name. No big deal. If they start sending you spam, just unsubscribe. No big deal. So I'm going to go over here down to thumbnail templates. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to try and find a template that I think is going to be catchy. One of the most popular things is anything with a starburst in it. So I'm going to go down and scroll. Here's one here, earn more money. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to load. And then all you have to do is just edit the text by clicking on it. Click on it. Move this down just a little bit. More views. There, done. Get more views. That is done. You see how fast that was? It took me like, what, 30 seconds to be able to do that. I'll go ahead and make this a little bit closer. I messed it up by moving it. So now if you want to add an image, it's even simpler. I went ahead and uploaded my own image already. So I'm just going to go over and click on uploads. I'm going to add my image. I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to go ahead and scale it. Did have a little bit of issues trying to scale this earlier, so I'm going to see if this works now. I refresh the image a little bit. I'm going to go through and scale it up a little bit. Maybe make this a little bit bigger to make it eye-catchy. Make it catch your eye when you click on it. I'm actually going to use this thumbnail for the thumbnail of this video just to see what happens when I upload this image, just to see if it works and gets clicks. So that's it. There's my thumbnail. How simple was that? It took me less than 2 minutes, if that. I do have a lot of trouble creating thumbnails. I'm not good at it. I suck at it. So this thumbnail.ai is so simple. You can use these templates. You can edit the text. You can move the boxes around. You can actually do a lot of many other things within this. But for me, this is good enough. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. Go back over to here and click download. And that should download to my downloads. There it goes. Go ahead and click on it. And there you have it. There's my thumbnail. Get more views. You see the skyrocket with the ideas, and that's that. So this is uploaded. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. As always, later.